Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to change your email address in your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to go over this mini Binance icon into the top left corner, tap there, and from there you will get to see these so many options. You just simply have to select this more service button, tap there, and after tapping into there you will get to see this security options into recommended. Tap to security, and after selecting the security you will get to see email into here. Tap to email, and after tapping into email you can see your currently connected email address into this section. Now you just simply have to tap to this pencil icon into the left side of your email, tap there, and after that tap to continue. And now you have to set up a new email address into this upper box and enter the verification code which you will get into the newer emails email box, and after that tap to submit. Then your email address will successfully be changed into your Binance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.